Today I will create a cushion halo with a split shank. Ring size 6.5, 16.8 millimeter. Center stone 6.5 millimeter, 1 carat. The height from finger to the center about 6.5 millimeter to 7 millimeter. Halo height about 1.8 millimeter. Halo width about 1.7 millimeter. Create halo profile, making a circle. Go to curve tool, click revealed, making 16 point. Show control point, F10. Select 4 point. Transform scale 2D. Scale up from center. Increase. Select middle 4 point. Scale 2D. Decrease. Select cushion shape. Transform scale 2D. Center. Match the stone size. Bring cushion shape, match the profile. Search tool, sweep one rail. Offset 2 millimeter. Bring circle up 0.2 millimeter. Revealed 24 point. Show control point F10. Bring up the point, making the cathedral shape. Copy Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Change the control point number 24. F10, show the control point. Turn on object snap. Create a circle, 2 point. Revealed curve, point 16. Show control point. Select point, making flat. Top and bottom. Scale down. (1.7 millimeter). Sweep 2 rails. Click maintain height. From side view, move the object left side a little bit. Go to transform, turn off object snap, bend. Mirror. Create single line from bottom to the top. Cut, overlapped part. Enter. Click two objects, join together. Create a rectangular shape. Extrude both sides. Cut. Offset 1.2 millimeter. Create circle. Turn on object snap. Again. Go to side view. Turn 90 degree. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Go to side, revealed, 16 point, transform, scale 1D, revolve, move to match the shank, transform, cage, changed world, z-axis, 8 point, select point, turn off object snap, mirror, create center prong, go to curve, straight line, angled, go to solid, tube, pipe, cap round, diameter 1.2 millimeter. Move inner, make sure this is quarter size overlapped. Click the prong, go to top view, rotate 45 degree, transform, array floor, 4 copy. Go to side view, create a circle 1 millimeter, match same height as stone, surface, revolve from the center, this tube support the stone from inside, also hold the prong strongly inside. Without this pipe, it will have empty space. It will show some empty area. Now I will set the stone. Go to curve, extract iso curve. Click the halo, create a curve middle of the halo. Go to gem on curve, apply the curve, change to object, stone size 1.4 millimeter. Go to top view, arrange the stone, change the number of the space between stones, and arrange it again. Make sure stone is tight and everything's lined up nicely. Go to the side view, adjust height, minus 0.3 millimeter. Enter. Click the stone, go to cut, Gem cutter. Apply. Select one of the cutting part. Scale 100%. Enter. Go to solid tool. Blend difference. Go to cut, channel cut, apply 40% width, 40% height, 0.2 millimeter height. Solid tool, blend difference. Cutting tool, micro prong setter. Apply. Change the shape. Number 7. 0, 0, 1, 0. Making the length a little bit longer. 0.8. Check. Enter. Solid. Blend difference. Again. Apply gem. Change the shape. Middle. 0.1 millimeter width. 0.3 millimeter height. Enter. Blend difference. Cut. Stone on the shank. Go to the gem. Gem on curve. Apply. Object again. Height 0 for setup. Size 1.3 millimeter. Change the distance. Once set the stone, change the height. Minus 0.3. Go to side. Mirror. Has a problem. Two stones overlap each other, which means the setup is not correct. Go back. Apply again. 0.3 millimeter. Height 0. Space 0.1. Object. Select. Change the height. Minus 0.3. mirror, select the gem, go to cut, cut out and checked. Everything looks fine. Channel, cut, blend difference, microphone cut, middle point, standard, change the shape as you, height 0, width 0, enter. If we cut this cutting part as we have here, it will bothering the other side. So once you set up one side, using the cutting tool, click the square, make sure snap on, extrude, cut half of cutting part, and mirror other side. Make sure the middle cut ungroup. This ending part manually bring it down a little bit. Usually ending part cutting is too tight with the stone, so manually bring it a little bit down. It makes more metal to hold the stone. In this case, we don't have to deal with the top part, but in case, just bring up top a little bit. Okay, let's do blend difference. It works. And now we have to set larger stone here. So we don't know what size it will fit. Let's measure this area approximately. Okay, 1.9 to 2 millimeter stone will apply. Go to gem, bring the 2 millimeter stone manually. Turned, make the same angle as the surface. And also check the distance with the stone that already we set. Give it enough space and turn to make sure the angle. Copy stone again to here. It will be a little bit smaller stone, let's say 1.7 millimeter. It will fit. Bring, change the angle. So we need a couple more stone to reach the halfway. Do the same thing again. Obviously you can do gem on curve, but this way is much easy and fast to match the size. Some people doesn't like it, but in my experience, this is sometimes better and fast. Okay, almost there. So let's copy last one. So this stone just passed halfway, which is good. Select all this stone group. Go to cutting tool. First, gem cutter. Enter. Bring difference. Everything nicely line up. Cutter. Channel build. Same thing. Enter. So in here, if we cut this prong, there's nothing will hold all together. So we have to cut the end of the channel. Extrude. Cut out. Cut. So we can keep this metal for holding these three stones. Cut micro prong. Okay. Blend difference. Good. Again, middle cut, change the shape, keep the width 0.1 millimeter, make sure everything work, 0.3 millimeter height. Okay, ungroup. We don't need this part because it's already split here. So the last one is always getting shorter. So bring a little bit down to give enough metal to hold the stone. Bring difference. Good. So we have a one side setting finished. Go to the cutting and using the line we already made before, enter. Let's cut the other side part. Okay, select all gem and shank, mirror, join together. Okay, nicely finished. We have the inside structure here, so it's not necessary to go all the way down. Select straight line, create the cutting area, extrude and mirror. Blend difference, select 2, select cutting part, clicked last unnecessary piece, and delete. Okay, now we have the gallery section, this empty area. Some people leave empty, but some people likes to fill in with the structures. So I will create a straight line from front view. So go to side view, match with under structure, show the control point, which is F10, bring it out to the halo section. So like this. If we bring out too much, it will coming out from the halo. So adjust the location, select the straight line, go to solid, pipe, make sure round and cap 1.2 millimeter. Okay, so this area sticking out a little bit. Let me move a little bit inner, make sure this structure on the top of the bottom bar nicely like this. Okay, mirror and bring up a little bit, mirror again the other side. So we have under structure. Go to select tool, select all curve, move to the other layer, hide it. Save the file. Cushion, halo, split, shank, ENG. Select all the matter and apply platinum color. Select all the gem, go to gem, find the diamond, apply. Go to render, library, background, adjust the height a little bit below the object, perspective, select size of the render, apply render style, do render. Save. Cushion, halo, split, shank, ENG. Save. Thank you for watching.